Hey guys, today I want to talk about seat cushions. New seat cushions or custom cushions. Somebody comes to me, they want a new seat cushion on their sofa, or when I reupholster it, they want new seat cushions. I give them two choices. One is the Ultra Foam Dacron wrap cushion, which is your basic, the basic choice that I have. And then the other one is more of the Supreme seating, which would be a spring and down cushion, which would be an envelope of down and feather, 50-50 down and feather, over what we call a Marshall unit, which is a small series of springs, like mattress springs. And let me tell you, that is the supreme cushioning that I can offer you. Depending on the client, if they can afford, they want to spend the money, I would go that way. If not, though, the foam would it's like a third of the cost, would do the job in most cases. So that's the choice there. I wouldn't use just a straight 50-50 down feather cushion on a seat. No support. There's no support at all with that, so beware of that. But that's what we use in seat cushions. So we'll see you next time.